What's going on, guys? Today we got this 1985 C10 that you see behind me, and this thing is kind of special. It was sold new at my grandfather's dealership to one of the mechanics that worked there, Lawrence Reed. He had worked it for my grandfather for 22 years. He was one of the head mechanics there for 18 years. But this is his truck that he's had built for a long time. Like 1999, he said that they put this motor in there, and it's a special motor, and we're selling it right here on the Journey HQ. And we're gonna tell you all about it right now. One of the first things you notice is the paint on this thing, and we all know Jimmy Frazier. He painted the engine bay and did some of the stuff for old Mac. Now, he's the one that painted this back in the day. Still looks good right now. I mean, this thing is shining. The paint is awesome. The color is sapphire black, not sapphire blue, which I thought it was going to be black, but this thing is a beautiful dark blue color. It's got some hand-painted pinstriping as well. Tells you it's got four-wheel disc brakes. This thing's awesome. Dude, this thing has everything. It has automatic power windows, power locks. I don't know if you heard that, but I can unlock it from this key fob right here. He also said it has automatic headlights, so that's kind of cool. But I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna show y'all this engine because this thing's got a lot of chrome on it. All right, so this is a ZZ4 1999 ZZ4 crate engine. Now, this thing, I'm gonna put all the specs up, tell you it's fuel injection, it's got dual gas tanks, and it's got a lot of accessories, a lot of chrome stuff on it. Y'all check it out. He said that people ask him about this grille and asking him where he got it. And he said he's the one that made it. And all it is expanded metal that he went and got chromed, but I think it looks pretty good. This vehicle only has 7,000 miles on it right now. It's got a Dakota digital dash, but this thing cranks up all the time, first time. What's cool is our buddy Troy Waka did all the interior back in the day on this vehicle, and it's all tweed on the dash and leather on the inside. Even underneath, like where your dash is normally painted, that's all leather. It's got the ZZ430 in the headrest. Man, this thing's got all the bells and whistles on it. On the inside, like we were talking about, you got the Dakota digital dash, digital gauges, and then down there you've got I believe it's not an OBD2, I think it's like a 1 or something. But it still has a computer on there. You can plug in, check your codes. It even has a light if something goes wrong. It'll tell you what's going on. On the inside of this thing, it's clean. I haven't found any rust. Found a couple of runs, just a couple little imperfections, but all in all, this is a really nice built truck. Talking about old school, this thing's got a 10-disc CD changer under the bed cover back there. And you've got back here some 10-inch subwoofers with some 6x9. So it's got a stereo in it, but it's kind of old school. Because it's got a brand new mirror in here. Tells you the temperature outside, tells you the direction you're going. You put it in reverse, you even have a rear view camera. If you're interested in it, you should get with me right now because I don't think this thing's gonna last long. We're getting this one out of here. Guys, we appreciate it. Remember, do what makes you happy. And if you want to buy this vehicle, hit me up.